So what's going on? This is another episode of The Pub with Dez Bug, and today we have a Barbados rum, Plantation. It also say double aged following an 18th century method. Not sure what that method is. It's 4% alcohol, 3-day fermentation. The smell is just fine. It's what you want. You know, when you drinking, when you go out to buy a high quality alcohol, you want to smell like this. It doesn't burn, it just smells good, it smells inviting. Drink me. If you're that type of person, you know, drinking it, you know, neat on the rocks in the glass, however you want it. But here we go. I enjoyed that. I recommend this, and I will be purchasing another bottle to put on my shelf. And considering how this isn't even supposedly their best bottle, which is 5 years, I'm going to go look for their best bottle. I could not find it because the few liquor stores that I went to did not have it in stock. They only had this one. But I'm excited about that. But it is it tastes good. It goes down great. It doesn't burn. Swallowing it, it doesn't burn your nose. It sits on your tongue just right. You can tell that it has been aged. Baking shop fragrances, in particular, brown sugar, honey, dark, caramel, candied almonds, but also pipe tobacco, toasted marshmallow. Second, I can kind of see all that. Before you know this, and while you're learning, it's hard. But once you read it, you can. Not everything, definitely not everything. Not for me. I'm still learning. But a lot of this, you can kind of say, okay, I tasted that, and it's definitely a good alcohol to drink neat and enjoy the taste and enjoy the flavor.